Ready?
Mm-hmm.
And begin. Buy environmental friendly homes made from metal, not wood. Same outdated stick-built construction in America for over 100 years. Good evening, my name is Mac Baker. Since 1908, America has been building modern homes with wood stick-built framing. That's construction that's harmful to our environment, and it's an inferior building product. We need to choose a modern material like metal construction for our consumers. This video shows the damage on a forest and what are milling wood and using wood construction that is absolutely outdated and harmful to our environment. Wood-built homes are not eco-friendly. The Sears modern home that was built from 1908 to 1940, that was considered modern. We're past that time, folks. We've got, Sears was popular because they showed that 583 carpenters were used to build a home at that time, and they came in showing that they could save with 352 carpenter hours with having pre-cut pieces and fitted pieces here, and they were able to prefab, kind of a prefab home, putting these together, but they were still made with wood. They still had problems here with the same eco problems, the same life expectancy and issues that they've got with the wood rotting and whatnot. So, you know, here in California, some of our history, we show that what's really survived the test of time has been the adobe buildings here that you see up in the Missions, for instance. But those, unfortunately, are not, for seismic conditions here in California, they're not earthquake friendly. So, therefore, they're not building with that type of construction. So, you know, the problem with wood is we've got the termites that go in and with the problem with the weather and wood rotting, the sun, dry rot that's created. A lot of times what happens is the companies that are called out, termite companies, for infestation, they remedy with what's known as a tinting, where they put the tinting around the actual, it's a tinting, but they pronounce it tinting, around the property, and then they fumigate it. They pump poison in it. This poison goes everywhere, the carpet, the flooring. And this happens anytime you resell a home, because this is a 2-year process that they're using this type of fumigation for termites. And guess what, folks? Guess where termites are at? They're everywhere. Every home has them. It's wood. We're built right here on top of a termite, you know, here on a big termite bed. So here in the desert. So the problem with the environment we see also, besides the pollution, is all of the cutting down our forest. Do you know how long it takes to grow a tree here? How long to replace a grown tree that we're using for wood? So we talked about the you know, what's the problem? Let's look at what some of the results here with the destroyed forest. We saw a picture of it, the neglect to our living environment. But the other problem is high cost of home ownership. The cost of home ownership here in San Diego, the median sales price is like $500,000. So who can afford to do this? But so, you know, in addition to the home deterioration, the unsafe chemicals we look at, we're looking here at this being a problem. But now let's look at a solution, and the solution is going to building by metal, using a metal-built construction. This is significantly better for the environment. Obviously, we're not cutting down trees for it. So we're going to have better air quality. We're going to have better health as a result of that, not using pesticides and poisons and all of the keeping the termites and eradicating termites. So, you know, the modern homes should be built by metal. So you should buy homes that are built by metal, and that is going to provide a longer life expectancy. It's going to be cost effective, not cost prohibitive. So, in summary, since 1908, America's been building modern homes with stick-built framing wood construction that is harmful to our environment, and it's an inferior building product. We need to choose a modern metal construction as consumers. So, your legacy is to leave your grandchildren's grandchildren a home. That's how you're going to be remembered here. So being able to leave a home that's going to last that long, and leaving, what better way than to leave your legacy for your children? So thank you. You've been the best audience ever.